More nervous than anything else. It's been almost 6 years and a half of work that has gone into this mission. I was interested in space just by being mesmerized by the vast largeness of space and the complexity of understanding and learning about it. We've tested and tested and tested the spacecraft to ensure that it can survive every single scenario. And now all of that rests on a launch pad on top of a rocket that's destined to a planet that's millions of kilometers away from us. It is a weather satellite of Mars that it provides us a comprehensive understanding of the weather throughout the times of the day, during different regions and at different seasons. And that gives us the comprehensive view that we require. For children at school today, this mission has opened up new opportunities for all of us to work in designing and developing a planetary exploration mission. This is something that we couldn't fathom could have been possible to work in the UAE.